If you're as fascinated by the cutting edge of artificial intelligence as I am, then you're in for a treat today. Because right now, we're diving into the top trending Hugging Face AI projects this week. Hugging Face spaces have become a hotbed for developers to showcase incredible user-friendly AI applications, making powerful models accessible to everyone. From boosting your productivity to unlocking new creative possibilities, these projects are truly pushing the boundaries of what AI can do. We're going to explore 7 groundbreaking tools that stand out, not just for their technical prowess, but for their real-world impact and potential. So stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step understanding of how each of these magical AI tools works, and how you can try them out yourself. Project number 1, WebSearch MCP, enabling LLMs with live web search capabilities. Today we're diving into WebSearch MCP, a sleek Hugging Face space developed by Victor. Think of it as an intelligent web browser for AI. It empowers conversational language models to query the internet in real time, retrieve relevant information, parse article snippets, and feed it back into the conversation. Unlike standard static model deployments, this space brings dynamic, on-demand web content straight into the model's reasoning pipeline. What's unique? First, it leverages an MCP multi-capable pipeline server that connects directly to search engines, performs queries per user input, and extracts both summaries and links in a structured format. This turns the model into an active agent capable of fact-checking and staying current, huge for use cases like news updates or reference checks. Second, WebSearch MCP is built with modularity in mind. It supports both general web searches and specialized queries for news articles. Results are parsed into title, snippet, and URL metadata, formatted for downstream consumption by LLMs. This pipeline ensures faster retrieval and cleaner, more relevant data, for instance, filtering by recency, domain, or content type to match user needs. On the technical front, the space likely runs on a combination of Fast API or Flask to wrap external search APIs, with concurrency handling via async tasks. The processed hits are returned as JSON and consumed by the front end, which could be a Gradio or Streamlit interface, clarifying the flow from query to summary display. In conclusion, WebSearch MCP stands out by empowering LLMs with true, real-time web access, wrapped in a clean interface and a streamlined pipeline. It's a clear step toward more capable, grounded conversational AI, perfect for developers building AI assistants that need fact freshness or citation-ready answers. That's the magic behind WebSearch MCP. See you in the code. Project number 2, JarvisArt-Preview, AI-powered photo retouching agent with professional Lightroom integration. We're spotlighting JarvisArt-Preview, a remarkable Hugging Face space from the LYL 10115 team, a glimpse into the future of AI-driven photo editing. JarvisArt transforms your photo enhancements by acting like a virtual retouching assistant. You upload an image, describe your vision, maybe boost contrast in the sky, or smooth skin and deepen shadows, and it returns Lightroom-style edits with the finesse of a seasoned professional. What sets JarvisArt apart is its multimodal large language model (MLLM) architecture and its impressive training regime. At its core is a powerful 8.3 billion parameter model named Qwen2 Tufaming VL, trained on a new MLArt dataset of 55,000 annotated photo editing examples. The training involves 2 advanced stages. First, chain-of-thought supervised fine-tuning teaches the model step-by-step reasoning typical of expert retouchers. Next, a group relative policy optimization for retouching, GRPO-R, further refines its tool selection logic for handling over 200 Lightroom tools accurately. Under the hood, JarvisArt identifies global scene adjustments and local region-specific edits, like adjusting exposure on the sky, while enhancing vibrance in clothing. You can even draw bounding boxes or use text prompts to fine-tune particular areas. The result? Pixel-level fidelity improvements up to 60% over GPT-4o level baseline systems. Using JarvisArt is intuitive. Launch the space, upload your photo, provide a prompt or selection box, and click Retouch. Thanks to a Gradio web UI, edits are fast and accessible. No coding or Lightroom license required. This space was just spotlighted as Hugging Face's Space of the Week, showing its growing popularity. In short, JarvisArt-Preview is more than another image filter. It's an intelligent editing assistant that understands your intent, reasons like a pro, and applies nuanced adjustments using a toolkit of over 200 Lightroom operations. For photographers, content creators, or anyone into image editing, it offers a powerful, interactive, and user-friendly way to elevate your visuals. Don't miss out. Give your photos the JarvisArt touch. Project number 3, Audio Flamingo 3. Pushing the frontier of audio understanding with large audio language models. In this segment, we're exploring Audio Flamingo 3, NVIDIA's latest breakthrough in large audio language models, LLMs, featured right here on Hugging Face. What makes Audio Flamingo 3 unique is that it's not just an audio transcription tool. It's a fully open-source powerhouse built for deep audio reasoning across speech, sound, and music. It can analyze up to 10 minutes of audio, engage in multi-turn, multi-audio conversations, and even support voice-to-voice interaction, making it truly conversational in a human-like way. Under the hood, AF3 introduces several technical innovations. First, it uses AF Whisper, a unified audio encoder trained jointly on speech, music, and environmental sounds, replacing separate encoders with a single multimodal solution. Its core architecture pairs an MLP adapter with a Qwen 2.57b decoder-only language model, enabling it to think aloud through on-demand chain of thought before responding. This advanced reasoning is supported by novel datasets, Audio Skills DAX XL, Long Audio DAX-L, AF Think, and AF Chat, and a meticulous 5-stage curriculum training strategy. From a viewer's perspective, the Hugging Face Space demos let you upload an audio clip like a song, speech, or environmental recording, and ask complex queries. Want to know the emotion, summarize, count events, or even analyze musical themes over time? AF3 does it all in a seamless, guided, and visually intuitive interface. In short, Audio Flamingo 3 isn't just about recognizing audio, it's about understanding, reasoning, and conversing with it. It's setting new benchmarks on over 20 audio tasks, from ASR to QA, and outperforming rivals like Gemini and Qwen Audio on long-form and multi-audio benchmarks. For developers, researchers, or creators exploring accessible AI-powered audio insights, this fully open-source model is a game-changer. Be sure to check out the demo link and see AF3 in action. Project number 4, ThinkSound, AI-powered chain-of-thought audio generation for video. We're diving into ThinkSound, a groundbreaking Hugging Face space from fun audio LLM that transforms silent videos into immersive soundscapes, all powered by chain-of-thought caught reasoning with multimodal LLMs. What makes ThinkSound unique is its step-by-step auditory reasoning pipeline. Many video-to-audio models generate sound end-to-end, but ThinkSound breaks it into 3 interactive stages: foundational Foley generation, object-centric refinement, and targeted editing, all under the guidance of an MLLM that reasons at every step. The model doesn't just guess the sounds, it thinks through visual dynamics, acoustic context, and timeline events before producing audio. Technically, ThinkSound uses a unified flow-matching audio foundation model conditioned on COAT transcripts from the MLLM. In Stage 1, it generates a base soundscape aligned to the video's visuals. Stage 2 allows users to click on objects like footsteps or a bouncing ball, and the model zooms in, using the ROI and COAT context to refine the audio precisely. Stage 3 adds a layer of control. Natural language instructions like add distant thunder after the footsteps guide the final mix. The developers also released Audio COAT, a structured dataset linking video frames, written reasoning, and audio, helping train the MLLM to think like a sound engineer. Results show state-of-the-art performance on benchmarks like VGG Sound and MovieGen Audio, outperforming leading models in fidelity, semantic alignment, and user ratings. In the demo space, users simply upload a silent video and optional caption or COAT. The system processes it, blends audio, and delivers rich, synchronized sound. The open-source team even recently improved memory usage, GPU performance, and enabled fine-tuning, meaning you can customize ThinkSound for your own creative projects. In summary, ThinkSound is a leap forward in video sound design, interactive, context-aware, and modifiable in real time. Whether you're a filmmaker, content creator, or audio enthusiast, this tool lets you reason with your sound instead of just generating it. Give it a go and hear your visuals come to life. Project number 5, Miragic Speed Painting. Transform still images into hand-drawn animation. We're featuring Miragic Speed Painting, an impressive Hugging Face space by Miragic AI that brings still images to life by generating dynamic, hand-drawn video animations. You upload any static photo, portrait, artwork, logo, anything, and Miragic AI transforms it into a smooth, stylized sketch animation that mimics a whiteboard drawing process. What makes this project unique is its synthesis of frame-by-frame neural artistry and real-world animation data. Miragic's team trained the underlying neural network on thousands of whiteboard animation videos to capture authentic drawing dynamics, stroke speed, line thickness, pause patterns, and shading progression. This allows the AI to generate smooth transitions that emulate a human artist sketching in real time, complete with realistic hand-drawn pacing and flow. Technically speaking, the pipeline works in two main stages. First, the input image undergoes edge extraction and segmentation to identify lines, shapes, and shading regions. Then an animation module sequences these elements into a coherent drawing video, controlling drawing velocity and stroke order to maximize visual appeal. The result is full HD video output that feels like a time-lapse of an actual artist at work. Using the tool is easy. Upload your image, optionally select drawing style or resolution, and click Generate. In mere seconds, Miragic outputs an animated video you can download or share. The experience is both mesmerizing to watch and powerful for storytellers, educators, content creators, or anyone who wants to transform an image into an engaging visual narrative. In summary, Miragic Speed Painting stands out because it fuses image processing, stroke-aware animation sequencing, and real-world whiteboard training data into a polished, web-accessible app. It democratizes animated sketch effects and gives users a creative tool to elevate their visuals. Whether you're a teacher, marketer, or animator, this space lets you effortlessly convert any image into captivating, artist-like motion. Try it out and see your photos draw themselves. Project number 6, Voice Clone, real-time speech cloning with XTTS-based neural synthesis. We dive into Voice Clone, an impressive hugging face space created by Tony Assey. This project empowers users to clone a voice from just a short audio sample, enabling them to generate speech in that voice using text prompts all in real time. What makes Voice Clone unique is its integration with Koki's XTTS v2 text-to-speech model. Unlike conventional TTS engines that require hours of training data, XTTS v2 can clone a voice with only a few seconds of audio. It supports 17 languages, provides clear emotion and style transfer, and delivers high-fidelity output at 24 kHz sampling rate. Technically, Voice Clone is a Gradio-based web interface built via app.py and leveraging requirements listed in its repository that takes two inputs, the text to be spoken and an uploaded voice sample. Internally, it feeds the sample into the XTTS v2's speaker encoder, which captures a speaker embedding. The synthesis branch then uses that embedding plus the provided text to generate natural-sounding speech in the cloned voice. From the demo files like Godfather WAV, Jeff Goldblum.mp3, and others, you can instantly test cloning with different voice samples, illustrating how variable the results can be with minimal input. It's a powerful showcase of zero-shot voice cloning, where no fine-tuning is needed, and the synthesis runs entirely in the Hugging Face space environment, leveraging Koki's efficient on-the-fly voice cloning capabilities powered by XTTS v2. In summary, Voice Clone is a standout tool, fast, accessible, and technically robust. With just a few seconds of reference audio and a text prompt, it delivers natural-sounding voice synthesis across multiple languages and emotional styles. Perfect for content creators wanting customized narration, language learners, or developers exploring voice UI prototypes. Add it to your toolkit and bring new voices to your projects. Project number 7, Spark 3D, next-gen high-resolution 3D model generation. We're exploring Spark 3D, a groundbreaking hugging face space by ILCVE21 that transforms a single 2D image into a fully detailed 3D model. This isn't your average photogrammetry. Spark 3D uses a novel approach called sparse deformable marching cubes to reconstruct meshes at ultra-high resolution, reaching up to 10,024 Thark-Funkeler, while gracefully handling diverse shapes and open surfaces. First, it moves away from the typical VAE plus latent diffusion pipeline that often blurs fine features. Instead, it introduces spar cubes, a sparse voxel grid that processes sign distance and deformation fields, letting the model preserve intricate geometry without filling the entire volume. Then comes SparCon VAE, a sparse convolutional variational autoencoder built entirely with sparse con blocks and point transformer attention. This modality-consistent encoder maintains near-lossless fidelity when reconstructing the model, a first in high-res 3D AI. From a technical perspective, users upload any single view of an object, hit generate, and after a short wait, Spark 3D outputs a dense, watertight mesh. The output often includes inferred geometry for hidden areas, flipping the traditional notion that multiple views are essential. While it doesn't yet offer textures or optimized topology, the reconstruction quality is state-of-the-art, even capturing thin or disconnected parts. In summary, Spark 3D unlocks high-fidelity 3D model generation from just one image using sparse marching cubes and sparse VAE diffusion. It's a visionary step toward democratizing 3D asset creation for artists, developers, and AI enthusiasts. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour through some of the most innovative and impactful AI projects trending on Hugging Face right now. What was your favorite project from today's showcase? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI and technology. Your support helps me bring more content like this to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.